Good morning. Welcome to Maths Fair. I am Akshita. I am Archana. Do you know what is maths? Maths is very important. While if we are maths, there is nothing we can do. We are from Tennessee Bonus. Leonardo of Pisa, also known as Pisa, he was an Italian. He was born around 1170 CE in Pisa, Italy, and died after 1240 CE in Pisa, Italy. He bring the numeral zero to Europe and he bring sequence and exists in nature. Our topic is fractions. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Types of fraction. Proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator or a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3. Improper fraction. Fraction with a numerator is more than the denominator are called improper fraction. For example, 5 by 3. Like fraction with the same denominators are called like fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4. Unlike fraction with the different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Mixed fraction constitutes a whole number along with a proper fraction. For example, 8, 2 by 3. Fraction help to distribute and get something and make the calculation easy. Here is a model of fraction. Here I have pizza. Now my friend taken a slice of pizza. Before 8 parts, she taken a slice. How many parts are left? 7 parts are left. So now the fraction is 7 by 8. Again my friend taken a slice of pizza. How many parts are left? 6 parts are left. So now the fraction is 6 by 8. Thank you for visiting our project and go forward and enjoy